What's up, JD Aliens? Man, it's been a minute, huh? I don't know, I just decided to take a little hiatus, man. I need to do some relaxing. Anyways, we got in-house the creative Muvo Play. I like that name, Muvo.
Let's do it.
Portable and waterproof wireless speaker. You got 10 hours of playtime. You can link them up for stereo wireless. You got IPX7 waterproof with Bluetooth 5.0. This is a creative product, so I kind of trust it right off the bat. And I like the design, I like the color scheme. Let's get in this box, man. I'm getting a little anxious. Mr. Meat, break it on out, man. Let's do this. All right, we're immediately greeted with an orange lanyard. I like this color of orange, man. Y'all might not know this, but one of my favorite colors is orange. And one of my favorite color schemes is orange and gray. Fun facts about Antoine. Then we have, oh yeah, buddy, USB-C charging. Got your little cable right here. Take the little cap off. Got some instructions, which I probably will not need. But then let's get to the star of the show. Let's put that box over there. Yeah, new stuff. That's that smell that I like. It looks really nice in person, man. Look at that. Get in there. This is nice. It's got this nice fabric mesh around it. Then you got your, what is this, a silicone or a plastic kind of shell. I just dig the design, man. It's got your two bass radiators right here. Hope this thing does have a little bit of thump. It's a small speaker, so I'm not expecting much. Then you got your power, which is LED right there. Then you got a plus and a minus, a play and pause, and then you got all your stuff on one side. So there's nothing anywhere else. You got your charging port right here and your aux in. Let me get that open. You got your charging port right there, then your aux in, and then you got your little place right there where you can put your bright orange lanyard that they give you. So let's get this thing turned on and see how it sounds. That sounds like a movie getting ready to start. Okay, sitting in front of this thing, it is incredibly loud for a speaker of this size. I mean, seriously, look at it. It fits in the palm of my hand, and I want to throw it. Like, it would be cool to play catch with this thing, like on a beach or something like that. As far as the sound goes, it's really loud, like I said, for a speaker of this size. But where I have a problem is, it does lack a little bit of mid-range. It seems like the mids are kind of almost hollowy. Now, do not expect a lot of bass out of this thing, surely because of its size. You will get some punch on some songs, but you're not gonna get a ton of bass, like room-filling bass. This is definitely a personal speaker. So, I don't know, man, maybe you taking your gal out to the beach, or, you know, like, I like to take my old lady on a motorcycle ride sometime, man. This would be something good I can keep in the saddlebag. That way we can just, you know, hop off the bike and just chill for a minute, man. Maybe I'll play some tunes, you know, maybe I get lucky that night. I don't know, man. It's compact, so you can just roll with it anywhere you want to, and then you can pull it out and you can have some tunes that's gonna sound a lot better than your phone. Now I wanna run a couple more tests. I wanna turn the volume down just real quick just to see how it sounds at responsible listening levels, like a personal level. And I wanna take it outside and turn it up full blast just to see how much it carries. All right. Okay, at personal listening levels, this thing actually does sound really good. The highs are nice and crisp. You can definitely get a lot more lows in there because the speakers aren't straining so much. And the mids actually come back. So yeah, it sounds good at personal listening levels. And that's what this speaker is really built for. Now for the last test, I'm gonna take it outside real quick on the patio just to see how it sounds at full blast, to see how the sound carries. Hey, what's up everybody, man? Let me turn this down. Okay, yeah. So you actually could, I was wrong. You actually could rock a small, I don't know, 6-person party outdoors with this thing, man. Definitely inside. I don't know, maybe a college dorm or your bedroom or something like that. Definitely a good gift for a college student to you. Can you hear that airplane? Seriously, you gotta fly the plane Right now I'm outside shooting videos. The volume does carry. I'm a good, I don't know, 15 yards away from it right now. I did turn it down when I started talking, but it's definitely loud enough to carry about 15 or so yards out and still hear a nice full sound. But when you're right up to it, it's too loud. When you're right up to it, man, it's just too loud. That's a tiny speaker, packs a lot of sound. Now, as far as the mids, it does sound better when it's outdoors than it is indoors. It's an outdoor performer, man. It's IPX7 waterproof, so yeah, take the thing outdoors and get your jam on. For 40 bucks, I'm definitely digging the speaker, man. I think it's worth the money. The durability and the form factors there, you can just pack it around wherever you want to. But enough about this speaker, man. Let's talk about my social media. Hey, you ain't followed me on Instagram yet? What's wrong with you, man? Click down in the link, follow me on Instagram. While you're doing that, I'm going back inside because it's getting warm out here and your boy is starting to sweat. And you know, like bald head people, when we start to sweat, it just runs down your face. But if you had a good time checking out the creative Muvo with me, make sure you throw those emoji hands up in the comment section and I'll see y'all at the next one. Hey, where you going? No. Sit back down. We got to talk about this. You didn't have a good time? All right then. Hit the subscribe button. There you go. Reach down there. There you go. And then hit the bell because you need to know when I'm opening up more new stuff. You got to come right back here and check this stuff out. Now, don't you feel like a better human being? All right. I knew you would. All right, man. I'll see you soon.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?